Every time dirty, but this is what we are. This is what we are. This is Makassar. He's making us strong region. We don't have a nice football. We don't play like Barcelona today. Fight as PSM Makassar. Fight because of you. All together. Okay? My guys!
Guys, yesterday everybody was in the meeting. We saw all the games we have now in February. So, guys, we say we will catch the 3 points here. So, guys, we go for 3 points. But for good 3 points, guys, we need to run more than that. We need to fight, guys. We need to give everything. Forget the 3 points. Not gonna be easy for us. Not gonna be easy for us. We beat them 5-0 at home. But, guys, not gonna be the same today. If we don't do 100% today, not gonna be easy, guys. If we put everything on the field, the result at the end of the game will be good for us. So today, guys, give everything. Everything we catch 3 points, guys, and now the boss start to pay bonus. Okay? Today we need to pay bonus. Okay? Let's go. Yo, guys, we already see they are on fire because they know if they win us, they will catch us. Guys, this is not the game for the 3 points. It's 4 points, guys. 4. If we win, if sometimes we draw the point, we get advantage of them. So it's 4 points today, guys. So 4. I can see they are on fire, but we need to be on fire. Together.
Bisa memenangkan laga di Surabaya. Terima kasih dan selamat menyaksikan.
wasit. Kartu itu mendorong.
Tahan bola Eka.
Kartu wasit. Mendorong dia.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah ya Allah, berkerja keras kami semua. Terima kasih. Ewako.
Gimana gol tadi?
Tahu kita di sini serangan jantung berapa kali?
Gol untuk orang tua dan istriku.
Dedicar o gol ao meu filho, à minha esposa, e eles são muito importantes para mim. Meu filho profetizou que eu iria fazer o gol e hoje eu fui feliz de fazer o gol. E sobre o jogo, eu acho que o grupo foi o melhor em campo. Sem o grupo, sem o time PSM, eu acho que eu não seria o melhor em campo. Então dedicar também a eles, a meus companheiros de trabalho, como gigante hoje saindo daqui com a vitória, graças a Deus.
A segunda pergunta é, depois de muito tempo, conseguir esses 3 pontos, o que significa esses 3 pontos para o final da temporada, para até o final da temporada, dos próximos jogos?
Hey, Bante, you're shooting. Goal. Better than strong no goal. What's it? Wait, keeper.
I don't need to ask Reski if he can score the goal. Can you score the goal? Can. Yeah, you can. So, Redson, I was never asking if he can score the goal because if Redson score the goal, it's maybe once per year. Maybe now, maybe more goals. Okay?
Maybe for the next game, we need Gladson back to the press con because we make press con 3 points. Let's go again.
And you also need the red tape on the 20 point writing, okay?
Unang, goal, man of the match, Oppo. You lead the parade. Whatever.
Pray in Portuguese.
Pai nosso que está no céu, santificado seja o teu nome, venha a nós o teu reino, seja feita a tua vontade, assim na terra como no céu, com nosso cada dia nos dá hoje. Perdoa nossas dívidas, assim como nós perdoamos nossos pecadores, nossos devedores. Não nos deixe cair em tentação, nos livre de todo mal, amém. Pois teu é o reino, o poder, a honra e a glória, hoje para todos sempre. Amém. Amém.